and in today's video I'm going to be doing another me showing you all my fidgets, because I get new fidgets I make new fidgets like every week, month, whatever. So yeah, that's why I do it a lot. And for my birthday, which is still a while away, I hope I get fidgets. That's all I want for my birthday. It's only 3 months away. It's not too long. 2 months almost. Okay. So I put my fidgets in these little bags, and I got it in its shoe bag. Not sponsored, by the way. I promise. But yeah, it's still a really good brand. I recommend it for shoes. Okay, I'm actually going to start with my other bag. So I have 2 bags. Ooh, this one's heavier. Okay, let's start with the first bag. This is fidgets part 24. I've already got to 24. Oof. Sorry, my fan's on if you hear too much noise. Homemade fidget squishy. I love this. Another paper fidget squishy. This one's actually makes more noise. I like it. Okay. Next one is this crown silly band. Yeah, it's a crown. I got this little squish right here. This actually feels really nice. Okay. Well, this used to be one. I guess it's just scrap I put in there. Okay, this one. This has foam in it. Ooh, it makes a cool noise when I do that. Okay. I thought I would make a video because I've just been watching my fidget trading. Fidget scratcher. And these are just, you know those iron-on bead things that are super old? You could just get these from those. I know it doesn't seem very professional, but they actually feel really cool for fidgets. I've never done it like this. This is really nice. Okay. Next is a really weird one. I don't know why I made this. It's probably because I just had an LOL sock that was really old. So I used it. It's kind of hard, but there was like 5 layers of tape, so I don't judge it. Next is this cloud silly band. I'm not going to really play with the silly bands. Fair one. Okay, another squish. This has rubber bands in it. It feels so nice, but you guys probably can't feel it. Oh, and by the way, let's do a subscribe challenge. Hit the subscribe button and like button with your nose in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done. I don't know what I was doing with my fingers there, but yeah. Did you do it? If you did, I don't have comments. Share this video somewhere if you did. So then I have this homemade dimple. I call it a 1-dot dimple instead of whatever simple dimple. Oh, this is a simple dimple right here. I like it. Okay. Next one is my heart puppet. If you watch my other videos, you obviously know what this is. Since I don't have a table right here, I wanted to just use here. So yeah. Oh, this is the good side really quick. So yeah, that's that one. And then next is this soft squish. I'm gonna go a little faster because I'm running out of time. Then I have this one, silly band, lip one, fidget palette my cousin made. I actually did that and that and that. Okay, I made it different. This one. Okay, I almost hit myself in the face. It also feels nice to squish. Okay, I've been making a lot of new fidgets. This is not a new one, but it feels pretty nice. Okay. Ugh. Then my rock collection. I've already shown you all this before. So go watch my rock collection video. And please like and subscribe and all in my channel. And tell your friends about it. My channel. I'm still new to YouTube, but when I'm making this, I have 15 subscribers. Compare it up to how many I have now. Okay, so my rocks. Next, just some gross squishies. Oh, this is so nice. So it's like a little soft bag, not sponsored by Zoo Boise. I don't know. So it has beads in there, and then it's super soft. So it's just like a textured thing. It's like a textured. I wish you could see what I'm doing. What was that? Replay. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah, got that. Next, this turtle silly band. Do you think I could trade like 5 silly bands for 1 monkey noodle? Give me a like if you can, even though I keep saying like. Yeah. This one's a really good one. So it's where you could squish it in. You have to squish it slowly, else it'll pop. But then it reflates. Well, it takes a while. Okay, I might have to do part 2 on my second bag. Okay, this flower one. This one's a new one for sure. This one my cousin made. This one's really good. I like the tape side. Sorry. Next one is this one you've probably seen in like all my videos. Oh, and spoiler, this weekend I might be doing some more fidget trading with my cousin. Oh, and by the way, my cousin's moving to Texas very soon, sadly. But maybe I might get a visit there, and you guys, I'll for sure take a video for you guys. And we'll probably do some fidget trading in Texas. This is the next squish. This one's a little hard, but this one is still pretty good. Okay. Oh my god, I have so much left. So I'm gonna speed this up. Squish. Other squish. And the rest is nothing. Okay. Next bag. Yeah, I have a lot of fidgets. I'm not gonna talk anymore. This one, oh, this one's hard. Sorry, I just said I'm not talking. I love this one. It's so light and airy and easy to push down. This one's gonna be a lot. She's gonna have to trade for this one. Egg popper. terrible at fidget spinners. I used to call them figures. I don't know what I used to call them. It was weird. Okay, this is the last one, and this is Earth rings. Let me just get the Earth section on. So this says something on it. I've actually never read it. So I only thought it was the inside parts that move, but look at this. Outside does too. It says, right, Bible QBE. No. Okay, I'm not gonna read that right now. Well, bye guys. Now I have to put all these back in their bags. Yeah, it's gonna be a journey. Bye.